that we had to wait for hearing you for 4 months almost. But
Yes.
I'm happy at least finally we met virtually at least, you know. Well, if you all know Minji is a mathematician come a memory development trainer. He's been featured in over 90 newspapers, magazines. He's also come on television more than a dozen times. He's written 40 articles on memory development in newspapers. He's also performed over 750 mathematical shows in various schools, colleges, and clubs. And he's also performed overseas, like 7 times in Sri Lanka, 1 each in USA, Canada, Spain, Indonesia. He's also performed in many places within India, of course. He's also specialized in training memory development classes, where he has trained for, from children of 4 years till elder children of 80 years, I would say, and is also involved in public speaking and LIC numerology and a lot of things. So, Miruji, without wasting much time, we would like to hear from you.
Thank you.
Welcome to the club.
Yes. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening.
Can't hear you. Good evening.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a great pleasure to do this program for the club online. So, you all have mobile phones. You can remove that for using the calculator. Do you have the phone with you?
Yeah, sir. We have our phones.
So, to begin with, before I talk about memory development, I would like to share a couple of examples with you. Can you all take out your phone and anyone give me a 2-digit number?
23.
Sorry?
23.
93. And any other number?
83.
83. Okay. If you multiply 83 and 93, the answer is 7,719. Is it right? बराबर छे? सही छे?
Wow. Yeah.
I believe this is a Gujarati club. You all know Gujarati as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There are a few non-Gujaratis also.
Don't worry, I'll combine English,
Yeah.
Hindi, Gujarati,
They
everything.
also know Gujarati.
Okay, now give me any other 2-digit number.
46.
46 को अगर आप square करोगे, 46 into 46, the answer is 2116.
Wow.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
let us do something where you are needed, the calculator is not needed. Give me your date of birth. Anyone?
21.
Sorry? No, full. Like 21 or Jan, Feb, and the year.
21 March.
Okay, 21 March. Which year?
2013.
2013. Wow, that's great. 1 second. Thursday. You're born on a Thursday.
Yes.
Okay? Any other?
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.
13 September 1989.
13 September 89. जी, 1 minute. Wednesday.
Yeah, right.
Okay? Who else?
14th May 1973.
14th May 73.
3.
Okay. Monday.
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you. More.
7th June 1962.
7 June.
Yeah.
Okay. One second.
1962.
I think you are Uranus, like to travel everywhere.
Okay.
Thursday.
You got it right.
Thursday, sir. Okay, now more people can ask date of birth little later. Let me ask you a small question. What is memory? Is it good? Is it bad?
Only join me. What is that?
Yeah. What is memory? Is memory good? Raise your hands, those people who say memory is good. Okay? And the people who complain, मेरी memory बुरी है, मेरी याददाश्त बुरी है, raise both your hands. There is no gun. Okay. Now the first thing is, memory is not good, memory is not bad. It's either trained or untrained. Now I have a question for the audience. Would you like to train your memory?
Yes.
Okay. So, let us do a practical example using the three laws of memory. One is I, one is O, one is C. Can anyone tell me what I stands for? Myself would be M हो जाएगा. I. This I. Sorry?
Intelligence.
Very close, but not the right answer. Very close.
Individual.
Individual.
Interest.
Okay. Interest. Well, again, very good, but not the right answer.
Intellect.
Intellect. Okay. Amita ji, Sushma has not come today. Your friend.
Sushma.
You remember you told me the person full of imagination? Well, don't worry, the answer is imagination. I tricked you. Okay. So I stands for imagination. What is O?
Outstanding.
Okay. No. O is observation.
Observation.
And I see some students here, I've trained lots of students, their parents always complain, my son, my daughter doesn't study with C. So what is C?
Concentration.
Absolutely right, concentration. So these are the three laws of memory. Before I talk about these three laws, let me give you a practical example. Now we are meeting virtually, so we can't stand, so we'll sit and do this. Let us learn the 5 trees of London. First is oak. So raise your hand and say oak.
Oh.
What's the first tree? Louder. Oak. Now after oak comes beech. जैसे कि चौपाटी बीच होता है, बीच हमेशा नीचे होता है. So let's go down. Beach.
Beach.
Okay? तो पहला क्या था? पहला क्या था?
Oh.
O. दूसरा
Beach.
beach. Now comes chestnut. Hit your chest and say chestnut.
Chestnut.
Chestnut. Okay? So, should repeat the 3 trees once again. First is oak,
Oh.
then
Beach.
beech,
Beach.
chestnut.
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 Now comes elm. Touch your eye and say elm.
M.
Elm. E-L-M. Elm.
Mm.
And the final one is
M.
maple. You are hitting somebody. Maple.
Maple.
Maple. Okay.
Maple.
Maple.
जी अभी आप बताइए एक्शन के साथ पहले क्या था
Oh. Oh.
एक्शन के साथ फिर
Beach.
बीच
Chestnut.
chestnut
Chestnut.
after that
Apple.
elm
Elm.
and
Maple.
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 Very good. You can give yourself a big hand even though you're at home. Now you could have done this without any action, but because of the action you are able to remember. So action plays a big role in memory. Action के साथ कोई भी चीज करेंगे तो वो आसानी से याद रहती है. Now we spoke about I. What was the first thing? I stands for अमिता जी
Imagination.
इमेजिनेशन. So इमेजिनेशन हर किसी में होता है. आप अपना इमेजिनेशन का कितना इस्तेमाल करते हो. Everyone knows the thing. I'm throwing this thing down, it goes down, but when I throw it up, why it comes down? Because of
Gravity.
gravity. Who discovered that?
Gravity.
Newton.
Newton. When he saw that apple falling down.
Apple falling down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But he was not the only one. There were other people also. But he was the only one who used his imagination, his creativity. So you should be as creative as possible always. What was O? O stands for
Observation.
observation. Okay. The person here born on 14th May. What's your name? Spell it.
P-A-R-U-L.
Wrong, ma'am. What's your current president's name?
Arjinder.
Jindal. Okay. Spell it.
H-A-R-J-I-N-D-E-R.
Now. Okay. Major Priyanka. What's your son's name?
Akshay.
Spell it.
A-K-S-H-A-K.
Bad luck.
Then spell it.
Yeah.
IT.
IT. Who said that?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Answer is absolutely
Hello?
correct. Hina ji, आपने बोला.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Okay. So this was an example. आप अपना कितना alert हो. Now, One more observation. Can you see this? What is this number?
9.
9. Can you make this a 6?
Can you make it?
Sorry?
Can you make it a 6?
રેનુ કપૂર સાથે વાત કરને સ્કૂલની મીટિંગમાં છું ઓલરેડી.
આને 6 કેવી રીતે બનાવશો? આને 6 બનાવવા માટે શું કરવું પડશે? સોચો.
6.
हाँ जी.
3 6.
उल्टा उल्टा कर दो.
उल्टा करेंगे सर तो 11 हो जाएगा.
Yes.
ओके तो 6 कैसे करेंगे? By just
S
putting
लिखो,
our
S
S.
लिखो.
S लिखा.
And an S.
Yes. और 6 हो गया. ये ऑब्जर्वेशन है. आप कितने ऑब्जर्वेशन आपका अच्छा है उतनी आपकी मेमोरी अच्छी है. और कंसंट्रेशन के लिए अभी मैं बात नहीं करूंगा. Later we will do a 2-minute exercise which will show you how you can increase your concentration. So I started this program with my math skills. Now I want to share a trick with you all. So what is 5 into 5?
25.
Okay. What is 15 into 15?
7.
225.
15 गुना 15, 225.
225.
What is 25 into 25?
625.
Okay.
625.
Now
बस
if you
यहाँ तक ही आता है मीनू जी.
हाँ जी अभी हम सिखाएंगे. अभी अगर आपको वैदिक मैथ्स आता है तो आप और भी कर सकते हो.
Yeah, my son has done it, so he
Okay.
will give you the answer.
Very good, great.
Shama?
If you wish to do 65 into 65, what you do is, what is 5 times 5? 5 5s are?
25.
25?
60, 30.
No.
365.
6? No. 6 into the next number. After 6 શું આવે છે?
7.
7. 6 7s are?
Okay, 7.
42.
42. This is my answer. આવડી ગયો?
Oh, 4225. Okay.
Yes.
Please can you pin Minuji
हाँ जी.
for Anita?
Sorry, what do you want?
Can you coordinate Minuji वो दिख नहीं रहा है?
या ये अब दिख रहा है?
Yeah. Now it's ready.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
perfect.
Okay, Abhi, I showed you this trick. If you have understood, you can answer me what is 45 into 45.
Can you come again?
175.
2025?
Yes.
2025.
2025. Okay. Now I would like to show this to you. 1 minute. Just for the people again. If I want to do 75 into 75, how do I do it? 5 into 5 is
25.
25. After 7 comes what?
8.
8. 7 8s is 56. I'm sure બધાને આવડી ગયું હવે? All understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
true.
Okay. So now you tell me what is 95 into 95?
95 into 95.
Yeah.
905.
9025.
925.
Good. Very good. And if I want to ask you what is 125 into 125? Again, 5 5s are
25.
25. Away, you may tell that you don't know 12 into 13, but I'm sure everyone knows 12 12s are. What is 12 12s are? Very well known square.
144.
144. What is 12 into 13 would be 144 plus 12. What is 144 plus 12?
156.
156. So this answer is 15625. You all have your calculators, you can even check it. The answer is correct. Got it? Yeah. Now, why did I ask you this thing? Because I wanted to share something with you. What is 12 12s are?
144.
144. Now, what is 13 13s are? Again, are quite well known.
169.
169. Have you ever observed? Have you ever observed that if 12 square is 144, what is the ulta of 12?
21.
21.
441.
Yes, 21 square is just the ulta, 441, and 31 square is 961.
Oh, this is something we didn't know.
Yeah. So this is how maths can be made real fun. When I was in school, till my 9th standard, I was so weak, I didn't know there were tables of even 4 or 5. When I started adding bus numbers, car numbers, and then I became in love with maths, and then one thing led to the other. So anyone can improve provided there is a passion for it. What is the most important thing in maths that people need to learn? કઈ ચીજ આપણે બોલીએ છીએ જે બધાને આવડવું જોઈએ? Can't hear you, ma'am.
Numbers.
Numbers, but what about numbers? We say na that the students should know this particular thing in maths always.
Table.
Tables.
Tables.
Okay. Away, पहले I will give you an example of my this thing. Give me any 3-digit number.
467.
467. I'll be telling the tables of 467. You please check the answers. 467, 1s are 467, 2s are 934, 3s are 1401, 4s are 1868, 5s are 2235, 6s are 2802, 7s are 3269, 8s are 3736, 9s are 4203, and 10s are
47.
610.
was it right? Check किया आपने? सही था? अभी it wasn't possible. And I tried to be slow at that. It wasn't possible to mug up this thing. Tables are something which you should do properly, but you can only do them provided you do them with trick. So there is a trick for all of you. અહીંયા ઓડિયન્સમાં કેટલા લોકોને 1 to 30 ના બધા પાડા આવડે છે?
Oh no.
अच्छा 1 to tables, yes. 1 to 20 तक आवड़े छे? 19 का टेबल आता है? सीखना है? प्रिया अंगद? Okay.
Yes.
So एक ट्रिक के साथ हम सीखेंगे. What is 19 ones are?
19.
19. Now I don't know the table of 19. I will use my trick. Trick is, if you can see this, 19 नीचे आएगा 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. In descending order हमने लिखा. And here, after 1 will come an even number. So what is the even number? Yes, alternate. So
3.
3. 3 પછી?
5,
Okay.
7,
Uh-huh.
9,
Okay.
11.
Okay.
13,
Uh-huh.
15,
15.
17,
And
19.
that's it. हो गया. Was it easy?
Yeah. This
Yes.
we use in school.
Yes.
We've done it in school.
Acha. So you can learn many tables like that with ease. And once you're good in tables, you're good in lots of things. Now, taking back the focus from maths to memory again, what were those 5 T's of what was the country? I forgot. Was it Russia? Was it China? Was it Australia? 5 T's of?
Sorry?
I told you now in the beginning. 5 T's, Oak Beach. What was it? Which country was it? What place was it?
London.
London.
Canada?
Yes.
Okay, London.
So, who said London? Acha. Your son said it, Akshar. Spell it.
London.
IT. I tricked you. Okay. So, what are the 5 T's of London? Let's see how much you remember. पहले क्या था? O. After O? Beach. Then
Beach. Chestnut.
chestnut. After that?
Left. M.
L. And the last one?
Maple.
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 Okay. So these were the 5 trees of London. Now, not only IOC, we can also use ICVAR. What did I say?
ICVAR.
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 जो पहले हमने किया, they were the 3